Daniel 2:20b begins with Min Alama, Va'ad Alama, and that brings us up to the Atnach. Within here, we see the Ayin Lamed Mem word. This is similar to the biblical Hebrew Olam, Aramaic Alam, which is the forever word. So what we have leading up to the Atnach is the Aramaic expression that's kind of like forever and ever. And here we see two uses of the relative particle, and there was actually one in Daniel 2:20a, each of which has had a different meaning. So the first one here is much like the biblical Hebrew ki. So it's kind of like a for idea. Next up, these two words. They have the determined state ending as well as tavs before the determined state ending. That is because they are both reflecting a kametz hey ending on a feminine singular noun that must become a tav in the construct form before adding the aleph of the determined state form. Okay, so this is the wisdom and the might. Now, a person could discuss why is it the wisdom and the might and not merely just wisdom and might, but that's what we have at this point. And here we have the second relative, which is going to be more in the traditional relative clause use of which, and then towards the end, to him, and then the independent pronoun, which is third feminine singular. To him is it. So this is what? This is the resumptive use of an independent pronoun. But we can ask, what is it resuming? What third person feminine singular concept is before it? Well, there are actually two of them, right? So what we have is matching in gender and not number. Sometimes this happens when there's only gender and number matching of the first item in a group, but both, one would presume, wisdom and might are being referred to as being to him, belonging to God. So altogether, Daniel 2:20b is carrying on and forming what I have called the theme verse for Daily Dose of Aramaic. Starting off with the part from 2:20a, blessed be the name of God. And here we have forever and ever, to whom, that's this part, belong wisdom and might.